Good morning, how are you? Okay, today video is because of this sickness which is going around, especially coughing, uh, runny nose, all those is making people think you have COVID or that. And even though you don't have COVID, when you cough, your your friend, your sister, or your everybody around you will be scaring of you. So that's why today I want to share with you what I use or what we still using to prevent coughing, to prevent even COVID. Yeah. So when you're feeling that you might have running nose, you might have fatigue, you struggling with coughing, all that, you need one pineapple, the green one. This is a little bit ripe. You need the skin have to be like this. Have to be green pineapple. You need like 4 to 5 lemon, lime or lemon. May I have lime? You need like 4 to 5. There you go. And you need this thing for sure. I don't know the name in English, but it's a leaf which smell very good. We use in Africa, in my country. And this one, some we usually use it for. Let me say, we usually use it when we want to make like tea. We want to make like some tea. We use this. We boil it and we put it in a cup and add some other stuff and drink it. So I don't really know how they call it, but I'll search for it, and when I find the name, I'll comment or I'll add some description to it for you. Okay, you need this, and you need another thing that we don't have here in America. We don't have it here. They call it my language in Togo, Bachima. So I don't have that. But this 3 recipe is gonna make it right. Even though you don't have this one, this leaf, just use ginger. Use ginger or you use garlic to replace those. Yeah, you use pineapple, lime, ginger plus garlic, and you will see that the cough will be gone after 2 to 3 days. Okay, I'm not a doctor, but some natural stuff are really good for our health. So when somebody teach you something, you need to share with your brothers and sisters. That's why I'm here today, to show you what I use and what we keep on using to reduce coughing, to reduce runny nose and other stuff. Especially COVID, which is very in the news everywhere now. When you start using this, you don't have to worry about COVID anymore. But like I said before, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a doctor, but I know that we have some natural stuff that we ignore sometimes. So let me know if you have anything that you want me to clarify later, or anything that you think I'm supposed to do more to improve my video or improve that I'm showing you today. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and peel it up. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna put this under so that you won't come out. So put that under, add all this. I almost cut myself because I didn't show you the part where when I was cleaning this. I didn't show you. You have to clean it up right before you use the skin. You need to clean it up very well. You cut this in small pieces. You need to use everything, everything. It's not just the skin. You use even this, even the fruits of the pineapple have to be cooked inside. So you need everything. Okay, since we have to boil it, you don't worry about the water. You can use the tap water. Okay, so I'm gonna pour water to until it's full. Okay, at this point, I'll just go ahead and put it on the pot for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that, I'll just strain it to into a cup and start drinking it. So keep it, keep watching. Okay, right now I'll just put it on the stove. I'm gonna leave it here for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it boil. Then it's ready. and you start taking half a cup in the morning, half a cup, like drink it as water until you feel better. You see how it's cooking? So at this point, I only need like 5 more minutes. Then I'll just the I'll turn this the stove off. There we go. Sorry for the background because my husband is watching soccer. Okay, so it's ready now. I'll just need to turn it off and let it cool down a little bit, and that's it. I have told that you need just half. You need half cup. It's not like I was told. That's how it is. You have to use half cup. Every time you feel like coughing, you go take some and drink. Okay. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments whatever you feel like you need to tell me or ask me about. I will be glad to respond to you. Thank you, and keep watching. Take care of yourself, and see you in my next video. God bless you. Stay safe. Bye bye.